Hi, my name is Reina Soria. I'm a data and reporting analyst with extensive experience in reporting, dashboard development, data visualization, and process improvement. Throughout my career, I've worked with both local and international teams creating reports and dashboards that help stakeholders monitor performance and make better use of their data. I've also worked on automating reporting processes and developing customized monitoring tools based on business requirements. Currently, I primarily work with Google Sheets. I'm building and customizing dashboards and reporting tools. I also use AI extensively to help me develop solutions and improve my workflow. My previous experience includes MS Excel, VBA automation, as well as working with tools such as SAP, Looker Studio, Zero, ServiceMate, and most recently ChatGPT, Manus, and Gemini AI. I'm particularly interested in remote opportunities involving data analysis, reporting, dashboarding, spreadsheet automation, or business process support. I enjoy learning new systems and finding practical ways to make reporting and everyday processes more efficient. Thank you for taking time to view my profile, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.